What is up, guys? We're here with it's raining. What is up, guys? We're here with another video, and we are trying to catch a frog, but it's pouring down rain. Not really pouring, but it's raining. We are going live tomorrow at about 6 o'clock. We're gonna go live, and you probably won't even see this video. So, Friday, 6 o'clock. Friday, 6. Yeah, Friday, 6 o'clock. Yes, we have school.
Dang it.
Friday at 6, and, Friday, 6, I will be going live, to check, just, I don't know, maybe a vlog, maybe, something, else. You see him, Max?
What?
Come here, look, hurry.
Yeah. Here.
Hey, Murray. Where's that frog at?
You mind to get wet?
Bird.
Where? Hey, we can snap that. I throw something at it.
Bird is a word.
I'm throwing something at
Bird is.
Don't.
Okay, so we're going to get an umbrella because I have a little baby. Videoing. See, guys? We're videoing off my old phone because let me see something. I don't think you can see it, but
What happened?
if you can see, it's bent right. Video this. Don't press that red button. If you can see, it's bent right here. So, it's my sister's room. I don't have no umbrellas. Maybe.
Catch him on your sleep.
Can he stay longer, please?
No, because who can bring you home?
Papa, he'll come get me. Can I show her my frog? I want to. Mike and Smokey and Peter and Ross to kill it. In 5.2 seconds. In 5.2 seconds.
Okay. Could you video this? Oh crap. Caillou, hey, Caillou, hey, Caillou.
What? Back, come back.
No, could you keep it on me though? That's a little bit weird. Does it video? Do you want to be the camera person in all the videos?
Yeah.
Okay, video straight. But whenever we get somewhere where it's not raining, video on me. We're looking at this right here.
Trying to find the frog. It's in the tree somewhere.
Tree.
Yeah. Tree.
Stand back a bit though.
It's still raining right here.
Don't get it right on my face. Do I zoom back or just my whole body?
It ain't doing it.
What?
It won't do it.
Do what?
Zoom in and stuff.
Okay. So, we're holding this on him.
Wait, here, I got this.
If we can hit 100 subs, we will be giving away a $20 iTunes card. Maybe a 50 sub? I don't know, but... Oh, God. Come on. Really? I'm just trying to waste time.
I'm gonna name the frog. Let's see. Let's go under here.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Listen.
Ooh. Nest. Give me the phone.
No, there is no eggs. There is no eggs.
How do you know?
I'll go check it.
Today?
There is none. I'll pick it up.
I don't know. Give me a second.
Ah, dang it.
There's babies.
What?
There's babies in there, my dude.
Honestly. Wait, what?
Look.
So many babies.
Yes, they are, Max. Yes, they are. You want me to back this up so you can look up in there? I'm gonna back my golf cart up.
Gotta go through socks on.
Okay. Crap.
Crap, it's fine.
Neutral. Okay. Did I? Yeah, we ain't pushing this freaking thing back. I just don't know, guys.
No.
Oh. Good move. Oh my God. That's baby's back.
Ow. Don't touch me. I still moving. Don't disturb me.
Oh, yes. And I know one more. I see another one already.
Up there?
Yep.
No, that's different.
Yes. We have our golf cart key here. Woo! Yeah, this is good. I'm just gonna stick the phone up there. Cause I couldn't. It's so hard to see.
What?
To me, it looks like
What? Go back.
a bird is not living in there. It looks like a bird's been living in there.
No, that's the plastic. You
It just hasn't. Get down.
You know them weeds that go in the flowers? You see them right there? That's what it is. Them.
Okay.
That's good. Are we driving it?
Come here, Max. Come here.
Yeah.
Get up here and stick your finger in right here.
Here, stick this in there.
No,
The end of this.
no, just stick your finger in there.
No. Stick that in.
Oh gosh, it was a stick.
No, do like this now.
Don't Macy, come here. Just come here. Come here. It's something really cute. Baby birds that are hatched.
I'm seeing it before her. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she can figure out that fast. Pick the nest off.
No.
I should pick it up.
Video.
I don't know what he's doing. He's taking the thing down. Hey, I want to. They're cute. The mama won't come back. You know that, Drake.
Ho 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 ho.
Let me get a little bit of water.
Wow, that was cool. Don't tell anybody.
Okay, guys, we are going back down to the house to check on those bird eggs. We will be back. Or we can't be back. We're videoing on the phone. I can't edit this. Huh? If this doesn't work when I edit this, this doesn't work when I edit this, I'm going to edit all this part out until we find another bird nest. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to take it back. But honestly, we don't know. So we'll be back. Maybe, maybe not. I'm going to try to keep videoing. So.
Please, I hope I'm safe. Go ask your mama.
We're back down here. I don't know if the mom's in the nest. The mom's not in there.